Oh hey, you're that apartment guy, right?
Yes, I am. What up?
You got any new listing for us?
Yeah, I actually go into this penthouse. Do you want to join me?
Sure.
Cool, let's go. This is it. Let's go. And welcome to the Milano penthouse. Hey, let's look at this kitchen island. Look how thick the marble is. It's thicker than $20,000 cash stack. And look at the whole pattern, all matched throughout the whole unit. And let's look at the stove set. This is 𝗕𝗂𝗆𝗆 brand. If Miele, Bosch, and Gagnon is here, 𝗕𝗂𝗆𝗆 is way up there. Because this is not residential, my friend. This is restaurant Michelin style. Look at the gas top, this bronze part. Even heat distribution, 23,000 BTU, baby. Let's turn it on. And the question is, when you turn your stove on, does it return the favor? "36-inch fridge, 24-inch freezer, Sub-Zero, never go wrong." Hey, let's go check the bedroom. And just look at the hearing room, hardwood flooring. See this closets, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 upstairs. Altogether, $40,000 just for the closet doors. Ready to check out the bathroom? Let's go in. Heated flooring, heated tanner. Whoa, look at this. A oval-shaped stone bus-top. Let's go try that out. Even the knob is made of true marble. Look how big this is. Whoa. I can be here all day. Let's go upstairs. Hey, before we go, just one thing. Check out this $800 apartment rental within the penthouse. Now let's go upstairs. Look at this one-piece railing. They cleaned the whole thing up. I don't know how they did it. It's so long. It's expensive. Hey, now we're at the patio. This is where I do my morning runs. Let's jog. Let's see how long the runway is. Wow, so tiring. You can see this is a rainy day. Can't use the hot tub.